When determining properties of hyperbolas, we can identify the vertical asymptote, the horizontal asymptote, the domain, and the range. So the vertical asymptote and the domain come from the denominator of the fraction, and the horizontal asymptotes and the range come from the number that is being added or subtracted behind the fraction. So what we need to do to find the vertical asymptote is to solve x minus 2 equal to 0. I would add 2 to both sides, and x is going to equal a positive 2. So I'm going to have a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. To find my horizontal asymptote, I just take the value of the number that I'm adding or subtracting behind my fraction. So since I am subtracting 1, my horizontal asymptote is going to be at y equal to negative 1. Now when it comes to the domain, I'm going to refer back to our vertical asymptote, and asymptote lines are boundary lines, so the graph is going to get extremely close to this line, but it will never cross the line. So all of my x's are going to work except for this x equals 2 because there's an asymptote line going through that value. So we say that our domain is going to be all x's except for when x is equal to 2. The range is dependent on the horizontal asymptote and is very similar because my horizontal asymptote is going to lie at negative 1, so the graph is going to get incredibly close to that, but it's never going to cross it. So I'm going to have all of my y's except for when y is equal to negative 1.